Hey guys, so here's the food. I went to Tesco, it was 116 and that's including the club card price. I'll put the proper price on the screen. Actually, where's my receipt? I've got it in my pocket. I can tell you here. So before discounts it was 120, so it's 116.47. Yeah, this is a big one. And then I've got another food shop from Heron, which I'll film afterwards. So we got a silver spoon, ice and sugar because we're making cinnamon buns, cat food, shreddies. I've got these because Fox likes crackers, so I thought I'd give them a try. This is like my go-to lunch at the moment. Aria has a, what the hell is this? What's it called? A cereal bar, good lord. Every morning before school. So this was on an offer for £3 for the box, so that worked out quite good. Some Weetabix, just the cheap ones. Rice cakes, because the girls like these in the morning with chocolate spread or biscuit spread. Huge cauliflower. Glasses, cleaning wipes, because there's 3 of us in the house now that wear glasses. And these are occasionally handy. Biscuits. 3 lots of fake frubes. 2 lots of bacon. 2 lots of lean beef. It's 750 grams in each one, so we've got 2 of those. And I will go through the meal plan, but like this, half of one of these does us for like, well no, 2/3 of this does us for a meal, so this will be 3 meals out of that. 2 lots of bacon, 1 lot of pork mince, because meatballs. Aria loves pepperoni, but it's a different supermarket, so I got this for her to try because it's thin, and hopefully she'll like it. Oranges, lettuce. We've got a shower curtain, but we need the rings because we've got a door curtain to put over our front door that my mum gave us. And we didn't have the rings, so this was only £2.50, so we're trying that before we have to go and buy actual ones. Get off that, Bandit. Carrots, nachos for a meal. Fox loves these. And this 3-pack. These were £1 on offer, and I've been paying £1.35 for individual ones, so I was so happy I got 3 lots of them because we literally have 1 a day. Chocolate milk for the kids, grapes, a butter, the big lemon juice. Obviously it's nicer to have fresh, but this just works out cheaper and more cost effective. A cheese, bagel thins for Aria's lunches, some vanilla paste for baking, some ginger for a curry, chocolate mousses for me. These work out less than 100 calories each, and they're just a really nice like after dinner yummy. 2 lots of garlic bread. A big tiger loaf already sliced. Ice gems for Foxy, party rings for Fox. I needed some pens. Corn on the cob for a meal. Chickpeas for a curry. I've got 2 lots of yeast because we're doing a lot of making our own bread at the moment to try and save money. Wholemeal pittas, blueberries, 2 lots of mozzarella. Some sugar snap peas. These are like 75p and Mika loves these. Mini cookies for school pack lunches, baby bells, Gary obviously because Gary has to be in every single food video ever. Get off my shopping, knobcat. A garlic, 2 lots of like parmesan-y kind of cheese. I got 5 bananas of all different stages of being ripe, so we can eat these ones now and then in a few days these will be ready. A big Lindell's thing just because it worked out a lot cheaper. This was an offer than getting the individual ones. Some caramel flavour for the icing for our cinnamon buns. Salt. Fox saw the smoothies. I didn't want to buy these, but luckily they were on offer. Gary, get off it. A broccoli. The kids chose these for their bedtime biscuits. Wraps. A girthy cucumber. A leek for some soup that I'm going to make. Hummus for Mika's lunches, and then 2 lots of semi-skim milk, 1 lot of Aria's protein chocolate milk, blue milk for Fox and Aria, 2 lots of plain crisps, 2 lots of orange squash and 2 lots of purple squash. Another cat, and I'm hoping this shopping, bar the fresh stuff, will do us for 2 weeks. The meal plan is up here, but we'll go through that later. Hey, the shopping is put away. And I thought I would quickly go through the meal plan with you. It's Saturday today, and the kids had fairy toast, which is eggy bread, and I just had some crackers, and Ben's not had anything yet just because we didn't plan for today because we weren't sure what we were going to be doing. Tomorrow we're having lasagna, which I'm doing a video for. Monday I'm making a dal, and Mika's got a friend round to play, so they'll have chicken nuggets because I'll offer her friend the dal, but I don't know if they're going to eat it. If they don't, then they can have chicken nuggets. Tuesday, meatballs. Wednesday, what was Wednesday? Risotto. Thursday, pasta. Friday, chili. And then we've got pack ups all week. Ari has pack up every single day. Fox has a pack up every single day. I got a leek, so I'm going to make leek and potato soup. What else was I going to make? I'm going to make some of my yummy buffalo cauliflower because I've not had it for ages. And I got a really nice looking cauliflower, so I'm going to make myself one of them. The pasta I will make the green pasta sauce, which I'll link the video for. And yeah, breakfasts. I've been having my mug cakes, but I've run out now and I can't afford to buy any more, which is annoying as balls. So I need to find another low calorie filling breakfast. I'm now down 8 and a bit pounds, so I'm very happy with that, and yeah, feel very motivated. So I'm now gonna watch film, have my bedtime snacks like I always do, have a ginormous drink that will keep me pissing all night. Yeah, that's it. That is the meal plan for the week. Thanks for watching. I love you, bye.